All right, hello, hello. Welcome guys to our weekend
Hey, hey,
kapihan.
hey.
Hey, hello. Hello.
Uh, all boys po kami
What's up?
ngayon kasi Ivy is still
Bar off.
assisting bar ops. So good luck
Yeah,
sa ating mga bar takers. Good luck kay Tej, aming friend.
yeah.
Last
Final
day
Uh,
nila
exam na
ata
nila.
ngayon. Kanina.
Yeah,
Kanina.
kanina, no?
kanina. Yeah, last
As-
day. Good luck, guys.
this is the first time na yung bar exam is digital, di ba? Hindi siya pen and paper.
Second time.
Second time.
Second time
Second or
na.
third na ata. Second
Mm.
time.
So at
Nice,
least
kaya nag-digitalize na sila. No?
alam mo agad
Pero
yung bagsak.
first time ng Endemio. First time ng
Yeah,
Endemio.
first time ng NDMU. Some nung nag-take is mga schoolmate din na batch natin dati. Yung mga
Oo.
kasabay din natin. So good luck. Sana we pray for a 100%
Pass.
passing rate for
Yes.
NDMU College of Law. Good luck sa ating alma mater. Alright
Good
guys,
luck, guys.
kumusta yung week natin? Nash?
20 days na sa intermittent.
Wow, 20. So, how much na na-lose mo, Nash, from the 20 days?
Check ko muna. Check. Check sa app. Nandun lang kasi sa app yun.
Well recorded ang fasting and weight loss
Mga
program mo.
3.4.
Sweet, not
3.4.
kilos.
Oh, hindi naman
Nice,
biglaan.
nice.
Now, question,
Actually,
Nash,
progressive.
aside sa kilos na na-lose mo, ano pa yung mga benefits na sa tingin mo na nakuha mo nung nag-fasting ka?
Awareness. Awareness na kapag may sugar, iwasan mo na.
Conscious ka na sa food, sa
Saka,
food choices mo.
kapag magkanin ako siguro, mga tanghali lang kapag naisip ko na tanghali lang ako magkain or one time lang yung mga rice bowl meals, mga one time lang pag maisip ko na marami kain ko ng tanghali na magkain ng sa gabi or konti lang.
Sa morning ba, Nash,
Okay.
kumakain ka?
Wala kasi yung sa akin nakaset ng 8 p.m. hanggang 12 noon, 16 hours. So skip
Oh,
ang breakfast.
So 16:8 ka dude, 16 hours fast, 8
Oh,
hours,
16-8.
8 hours feeding time. Yeah.
Hmm.
nung
Yeah.
nag-try ako ng low carb, yung isa sa benefits talaga na ma-feel ko is hindi ako madaling magutom. Di ba weird is hindi ka kumakain pero hindi ka nagugutom. It's because yung siguro the sugar, di ba? After a few hours, gutom ka na ulit para and then you're shaking na medyo para pangit sa pakiramdam. But once you lose the sugar, you're not craving food. Yung gusto mo lang alam mo na gutom ka pero hindi yung grabe yung shaky feeling. Tsaka pangit
Hmm.
yung parang may withdrawal ka talaga so yun talaga yung parang negative effects ng sugar. Tama.
Yeah, yeah. Like if you cut down sugar, dude, no. Sometimes ma-feel mo like the moment you cut down sugar, nahihilo ka, irritable ka, you have the headaches, mga ganun. And then eventually, after a few days or even after a week, yan, hindi mo na siya ma-feel. And then, every time mag-take ka ng sugar or you accidentally intake sugar, may term kami tinatawag dyan na it feels like poison ba? Poison na sa katawan mo. Na, oops, okay, this one's bad for me. So,
First few
Aware.
days, 3 to 5 days, you could feel parang may withdrawal symptoms ka pa na parang hindi mo kaya. And then after that, pag nalagpasan mo yun, iba na yung feeling. You can live without sugar.
yeah, yeah. Ang hunger gid, dude ba? Maya't maya, gutom ka, like you want to snack, you want to eat a big meal, doon mo na.
Tapos,
Yung sa
yeah.
akin may snacks ako, hindi siya in terms na biglain ko na wala akong snacks. Pero minsan yung although yung sa first few weeks na nawala yung cravings, yung like uy sugar,
Oo.
Hindi tayo dapat stick to it tayo dito. Parang ganun ginasabi sa sarili ko. So, pero may snacks pa rin ako. Like, yung magdaan yung mga tindera sa office. Hindi ka talaga makaiwas. Yung lalo na yung naging suki ka tapos bigla kang nag-intermittent. Parang, ay,
Like yung mga empanadas,
oh,
yung
mga
mga
ganyan.
turon, yung mga
Hindi mo ma-skip kasi parang, uy, si ate mag-entay pa ng ilang days bago maka yung sabihin natin na happy day na kasi sa akin yung happy day ko parang sabihin ko siguro after a month ko makakommit ng intermittent fasting saka ako magkaroon ng sugar break.
mm,
Then balik naman sa para hindi ka makagatin ng cravings na
Pero ano
ganun.
no, yung isa sa na-observe ko, kasi I was out of town for a week. Yung isa sa talaga sa problema din if you're trying to cut down sugar, no? Hindi mo talaga maiwasan if you travel. Makakakain ka talaga kasi yung mga available foods,
Puro
high
sugar.
carbs. Oh, tapos puro sugary. Uh, ano sa tingin niyo yung best tips iwas para makaiwas doon?
sa akin
Alternative.
dude, no, kasi I travel a lot. Before, gaanin ko na okay, let's stick sa food plans natin, sa fasting timing natin. But then, tama yung sabi mo, dude, when you travel, masira ka dun sa dun sa momentum mo,
Mm.
sa routine mo on what you need to eat when you need to eat. So usually, dude, ang ano ko lang yan is bring the food that you want to eat or bring the food you need. Like, let's say, magiging snacks mo siya, no? Like,
Mm.
bring the nuts with you, bring the sandwiches with you, and then eventually, pag kunyari, settled ka, you're in your room, you're in your hotel, or you're in your place na, then that's the time na, okay, i-ano ko na, i-enact ko na ulit yung routine ko na, okay, this is the time I'm going to eat. This is what I'm going to eat.
Yung isa din sa ano ko is, uh, okay, makaka-cheat ka, but for example, pag nasa labas ka, if you drink coffee, just order black coffee.
Yeah.
Uh, kung kukain ka ng buffet, syempre
Mm.
sa hotel kasi buffet din naman yan.
Okay.
Don't drink sugar, you just stick with coffee or water. Siguro
Yep.
makakakain ka ng kanin, wag mong damihan. Uh, 80%
Sakto
full ka
lang.
lagi. Oh, sakto lang. Moderation ba? So, hindi din naman kasi maganda daw in the long run if you stick to parang meron kang mga part ng diet na wala. So, wala ka dapat yung grow foods, saka glow foods, kuha mo din eh. So, in the end, moderation
Yeah.
lang. Siguro, the intermittent fasting, low carb things, no? If you really want to go down on sugar, that would be the best thing. But uh, darating yung time you need to stable. Moderation din talaga yung naging solution. Na
At,
wag
Yeah.
hindi ka dapat busog.
at
Mm.
saka
Pero paano pag ano mo Nash, like for Nash sa naging weight loss niya, paano ka mag-eat Nash ang feeding time?
pag feeding, yun lang sa akin kapag siyempre gutomin ka man yan. So kapag tanghali, sa akin usual lang din kung wala din man kasi dito yung leafy vegetable. So usual routine ko lang na kapag order sa Foodpanda, bibili ganun, bibili ganito. Pero limit lang, wala sa gabi. Tapos pag gabi, kapag busog, yung feeling ko talaga kapag busog na ako ng tanghali or hapon, hindi na ako magkain sa gabi. Tubig-tubig na lang. Actually,
Okay.
at saka yung napansin ko kapag ang nagababa ang weight ko kapag palainom ka ng tubig
Mm.
versus sa ako minsan lang kasi makainom pag weekend kasi mas tutok ako sa weekdays na may dala akong 1 liter of bottle naubos ko ng 1 or 2 refill. Pero kapag napansin ko pag wala, nag-up and down kasi yung weight ko.
Mm.
Actually, no, yung tubig kasi it adds up to your weight eh. May ginatawagan sila na water weight. So,
Mm.
it adds up to your weight din. And then, pag I mean, yung mga food choices mo kasi like let's say, minsan if you eat a lot of protein, magbigat ka man din yan.
Hmm.
Heavy yan eh. Or you eat a lot of, I don't know, kung ano pa yung iba. Pero yun yung na-feel ko eh. Like, gaya sa akin, I eat more on the proteins, mga gulay-gulay, pero less carbs yun. Gabog at yun kasi na after a meal. Like,
Hmm.
For
ano,
me, for me carbs din. I better eat protein than carbs. Based sa ano ko ngayon ha, sa structure
sa
so
diet routine.
sa diet routine ko. Kasi mas yung isa sa napapansin ko if I eat a lot of carbs, yung alam mo yung feeling na parang aantukin ka pero hindi ka makatulog tapos medyo sakit ang ulo mo. So akala ko puyat lang ako so magkakape ako. And then hindi na ganun ba? But once I lose a lot of carbs, iba yung feeling like uh I'm
You're,
awake.
ano, you're active, dude, yeah.
Oh, you're awake like and you can sleep well.
Yeah, so
Yung
yun yan. Sige, Nash, go.
actually yung sa sa water therapy,
Mm.
sa intermittent, nabasa ako before na article na ang explanation daw ng bakit kailangan ng water therapy during intermittent is ah lahat ng kinain natin doon na pupunta sa kidney.
Mm.
Mhm.
Like ay not necessarily na diretso sa kidney ang kinain, yung parang yung residue ng kinain natin mapunta sa kidney, then yung kidney i-excrete niya sa urine, then sa urine palabas niya kasi 'di ba dalawa laman ang outlet, either urine or sa poo.
Pause.
So kung
Oo, sa pwede.
sa poo naman, need mo talaga ng green leafy vegetable para syempre
Mm.
madali, ma-slide yung poo mo sa intestines mo. Then
You.
yung sa urine, syempre kasama na din yung fat, mga dumi, mga uh, any residual na galing sa tawa na excrete sa urine. So yun. So kaya need talaga ng water therapy both maka-help sa poo at saka sa urination. So yun talaga explanation bakit need ang water therapy.
O tsaka pang cleanse na rin, dude. Like if you have toxins and stuff sa katawan mo, flushes them out. Yun,
Hmm.
yun. Either mapawis mo yan or it goes out through the urine. Yan.
Yun.
Pero ano Nash, are you considering going to the gym again?
Depende sa schedule yun.
Yeah,
Same ka mo. Same ka mo, dude.
yan din ang mahirap na. That's why I consider na lang din intermittent fasting tsaka low carb diet because medyo sometimes pag nasa work ka kasi you don't have time for really parang a 1 hour exercise. Every minute counts din naman sa work. But sometimes you think a lot. Mahirap yung maputol yung ano mo, yung concentration mo and then you go to the gym tapos balik medyo pagod din. So that's why there would be some benefits of doing some intermittent fasting din. Pero isa din sa napansin ko kasi when I go to the gym, parang mas napaparami yung kain ko. Ah,
Kasi
so,
dude, kasi
Parang
your body needs the fuel din. Kaya
oo,
grabe ka mag-crave din ng food.
that's why ang problem ko is baka yung intensity ng exercise ko is somewhat mas maliit compared sa dami ng kinakain ko. So for me ko, mag-low carb na lang muna ako kasi pag mag-gym ako, mas mapaparami ako ng kain. So sabi ko, ano na muna, wag ko lang muna biglain. Stick to the low carb diet and then
Yeah.
unti-unti mag-gym. Like, parang masanay ka ng kumain na, I'll just get calories from proteins and what. Instead of, hindi na ako maglo-low carb intermittent fasting, mag-gym na ako. Total, kung nag-gym na ako, kain na lang na ako ng kain. It turns out, mas tataba pa ako. Hindi siya,
Mm.
ano ba? Uh,
Actually, dude, ang low carb, if you're going to physical activities, medyo alanganin siya kasi your body needs carbs to
mm.
exert effort and you need the calories din ba? So,
So for
yun.
you,
Kaya,
no, low carb intermittent fasting is, I think, a good. ay not really
combination.
necessarily a good, but parang mas okay siya for people who are on na medyo
Starting out.
busy or starting
Medyo
out.
busy or starting out. Kay,
Nel,
kaysa
may isang
fitness, sige.
may isang alternative diyan, yung skipping rope. Kung hindi ka makapunta ng gym or ng rubber track, skipping rope or yung squatting.
Squatting, lunges,
Sa akin
push-ups,
kasi kung
sit-ups, mga ganun.
parang punishment ko sa akin kapag hindi ako makapunta ng gym or ng rubber track or kapag tamarin, nag-squatting na lang ako. Mga
Mm.
3 sets, 20-20.
But
Yun.
exercise is still, example, not really weightlifting yung gagawin mo, but you can focus on
Hindi.
cardio and some, stretching.
Foundational, ano
Mm.
dude, yun. Like, okay, focus on cardio, foundational strength,
Mm.
yung the strength you need every day. Stretching, yoga, yun.
Lakad-lakad.
Lakad-lakad, yun. Pwede yun.
Ano dude,
So,
for somebody who is, somewhat bounded in the four corners of the room, ano yung mga magagandang exercise like to start the day na hindi naman siya heavy but would help, stretching, would help naman yung mga bones mo, muscles, at saka yung cardio mo na hindi mo kailangan talaga na tumakbo or what. Ano yung mga magagandang exercise to start the day?
Exercise ni EJ.
Sige daw.
yeah,
Yung
kasi dude, like coming from me, mabigat akong tao, which
Oh,
is if I start to run, if I start to do high intensity exercises, it can cause me injury, you know.
mhm,
So it's like for you naman, since you'll be starting out, you can't do strenuous
mm,
gym exercises agad. Like for anybody who's stuck in the four corners of their room.
mm.
So it's like ang naisip ko dyan is focus on foundational strength
What are
exercises,
those foundational strength
ability.
exercises?
Like i-train mo legs mo,
Mhm,
i-train mo core mo, i-train mo arms mo. It's like
mhm,
that. So, butang ta squats, lunges, and then sit-ups, planks, and then push-ups. If makaya mo, hang ka on a bar or something. And then scapular pull-ups, mga ganun. So it's like you're not putting your body in too much stress. You're
mhm.
putting your body into the body weight stresses lang na makaya mo ang sarili mo. Like
How,
that.
how many minutes ba magandang gawin yan?
You can do it for 30 minutes, dude. Lang daw agyan mo lang. Like
Mm,
you can do two
minimum.
sets, three sets of 10. Start with 10, and then go up 15. Maximum na yung 20. Go up 3 sets. Ayun.
Talo.
Tapos, ano, like, pagising mo sa umaga, gawin mo yung mobility exercises lang, like stretch your hips, do some stretching on your legs, mga ganun.
mm.
And then, stretch mo arms mo, stretch mo fingers mo, ganun din mo, since, di ba, nasa computer tayo lagi. Stretch your neck. Yun. It's a start kasi yung stretching is a part of exercise na rin eh. Mapansin mo, nagsistretch ka, gainit katawan mo, umiinit katawan mo, and then, ano, nasistress mo ng konti yung physical aspect ng katawan mo.
Yung ano ba, yung sabi mo na pag start na uminit yung katawan mo, how much more would you go?
Just keep going hanggang matapos mo siya. Kasi, kunyari, di ba nagsistretch ka na, allow yourself to sweat. Kasi stretching, let's say nag-stretch ka lang ng calves mo and then you sat down, in-stretch mo na yung legs mo. Maka-feel ka niyan minsan na umiinit yung katawan mo, pagpapawisan ka na ng konti. So, it's like that. So, just keep going until matapos mo na yung stretching routine mo. Yun.
That would also, those exercises also are good for people with hypertension, di ba? Because that would help them increase yung flow ng blood.
Yeah, increase
As,
yung flow ng blood nila, yung mag-loosen yung katawan nila, ganun. Give them some mobility.
mhm.
Yun. I think it's a great help din para sa kanila. Since 'di ba pag nasa bahay tayo and nakaupo lang or nagtatrabaho tayo work from home and then you're just nasa harap ka lang ng PC mo, di ba? So stretching helps a lot.
Minsan ma-feel ko, ba example, mga malapit na hapon, parang pagod ka na. But when you do a little bit stretching or somewhat papawis, nawawala din minsan yung pagod mo eh. And it also helps na maganda yung tulog mo. That's what I observed when I started doing some short exercises like that, which is suggested naman talaga for people who are the more ka na nasa office or the more na nakaupo lang, the more you better exercise.
Yep, yep. Yung sa mga sedentary lifestyles, no?
Oo.
So it's a start then, like if you want to get into fitness pero tinatamad yung katawan mo, di ba? So start with the small stuff and then build up slowly ba? Ganun lang naman yun eh. Kasi ang fitness is progressive eh, hindi naman siya biglaan, di ba?
Hi, Pen. How are
Yeah.
you?
I'm good.
Welcome, Pen
Thank you,
Pen.
thank you.
We're
Can I
talk.
add?
Yan,
Can I
isa.
add oh, sana ba kayo? Ano yung discussion na?
Eto kasi yung nangyari, Pen, is Nash and I are doing some measures din na Nash has na-lose niya na is around 3 kilos because of fasting. Ako
Wow.
naman, I did low carb intermittent fasting kasi yung ano ko nga is I cannot always go to the gym. So hindi ako makakaroon ng parang heavy exercise. So what I did
Mm,
is I lessened the intake of carbohydrates. And
mm,
I did feel something. Now, ang tinatanong ko is for people like me who are more on sedentary lifestyle, I always stuck at the four corners of the office. Aside from doing low carb intermittent
mm,
fasting, what other exercises I could do na hindi naman siya heavy, hindi naman siya heavy lifting, but would help din for cardio and for ano ba, stress
yes.
management. Yeah, yun.
Well, yung mga sinabi ni EJ, tama yun.
Mhm.
And then, pinaka-importante talaga yung mga stretching sa katawan. Wag kang bibigla. Wag mong biglayin yung katawan mo. Kasi na-try ko yan dati,
Mhm.
yung umuupo lang ako dati, wala pa akong exercise noon.
Mhm.
Tapos, bigla kong naisip, what if mag-exercise kaya ako ngayon? And wala nang stretchings. So yun, ang nangyari, yung heart rate ko, parang bumaba ba yun? Ganun ba yun? Bumaba.
Mhm.
Tapos parang about to, iba na yung vision na nakikita mo. Parang
Oh,
Ah.
makukulapse ka. Yung parang ganun. So, it is important to talagang painitin mo muna yung katawan mo. Set the
Tama.
tone, set your heart, o yung heart rate mo, you have to set it na kailangan ma-handle mo yung intensity. Ganun.
After a few days or after a few weeks na medyo kaya mo na, you can increase the intensity.
Yes, oh, yes.
Handle mo kaya. Kasi mahirap din naman pag for 5 years, pandemic, hindi ka nakapag-exercise.
tapos
Tapos, yung
binigla mo one hit.
binigla mo.
It's a no.
So diretso ka hospital nun.
Instead na maging healthy ka, baka ma-stroke ka pa. Or,
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
So yun nga, yun yung ano eh. So anyone na gusto pumasok sa fitness, give your body time talaga na mag-adjust. Kasi hindi
mm,
naman bigla-bigla yan eh. You can do it every day naman pero with a little intensity.
mm,
Tsaka kung biglain
Yun.
mo, baka next day, ayaw ko na mag-exercise,
mm.
masakit sa katawan.
Isa pa yun, tatamarin ka na.
so, dapat you should motivate yourself like, paunti-unti, like, oh, I did this today, I can do it tomorrow. And then tomorrow
Yep,
naman,
yep.
medyo increase mo kahit
Oo,
konti. Oh, kaya ko na. Huwag kang magpadala dun sa mga tao na parang sa term pa natin, padayaw ba na, ganun. Kaya na.
Magaganda katawan
Oo.
nila and may mga narating na in terms of physical fitness, mga
So,
ganun.
so do something, design something for your own. Yung alam mo na kaya mo, unti-unti mo,
Mm,
you challenge yourself, but don't compare yourself to others. Yun yung
Yep,
true, true. Actually, mahirap mag-motivation kasi iba-ibang tao, iba-iba ang mag-isip.
mm,
Ako na-understand ko na si Pen, iba yung motivation niya. Si EJ, iba rin motivation niya kahit tuloy-tuloy. Ako naman nung simula nagsali nung sa Spartan nila, na-motivate nung umpisa tapos nawala. after few months. Kasi
Di kasi,
sa akin lang kasi masakit
ah,
yung paa ko pa mag-jogging. So naghanap ako ng motivation. Lalo na kung galing ka heartbreak tapos biglang
Mm.
Baka may
tanggal
mga
ka.
external factors ka doon, di ba?
di
Marami,
kasi
marami ako.
injuries.
Talking about
Injuries kasi.
Spartan, do you have Spartan training here in Coronadal?
Yep, we
Oh,
do.
can you tell
Yes,
me about
sir.
it?
So, buti kaming tatlo pa na kasama mo dito tonight, dude. Kasi kami tatlo ni Nash, ni
Oh.
Pen, tsaka ako. We started this January 2023, dude. This year
Mm.
lang.
Mm.
Tapos, ang story niyan is gahampang abi kami. Ay, naglalaro kami online.
Mm.
And then, alam mo yun, during yung time na nagwe-wait lang kami na pumasok sa or mag-start yung game ba, sabi namin, ano no, lagi na lang tayo laro ng laro. What if set tayo ng goal this year?
Oo.
Eh, yun. Like, ano ba, ay i-improve natin life natin, improve natin fitness natin, and then let's do something na influential ba. So yun, nag-start kami si Penpen lang. Si Penpen, Nash, and Tej, and Rika yata. Yun,
Oo.
with just a few members, dude, we started. Tapos, yan, si Penpen na ano.
Lead.
Tapos, yun nga, ang workouts galing sa akin
Mm.
because it's what I do here. Tapos ano ko na lang, gina-forward ko na lang kila Penpen para at least guided man sila ba. Tapos ayun, si Penpen na ang magkwento what happened next kasi siya na nag-handle ng mga
Oo.
kung paano lumaki yung group dyan sa Marvel, si Penpen and Nash.
Mm.
So,
So, ayun nga. So, dati, kami lang ni Nas talaga, nag-exercise
Mm.
dati. Yung mga workouts ni EJ, yun lang yung fina-follow namin. Minsan nga, binabawasan pa niya yung mga program kasi hindi namin kaya.
scale down, no? Scale
Oo.
down. Para lang maano ba, para mag-start lang. Yeah.
And then, rain or shine yung training namin. Kahit ganun kami, kahit medyo, pa lang, nag-i-start pa lang. Rain or shine kami. Di ba, Nash? Yung remember mo
Oh,
yung sa tayo sa T-race ba yun?
oh.
Doon
Doon
lang
lang
tayo
pa
kahit kung
balik-balik
umuulan.
tapos akyat balik.
Mm. Then
Question.
after that,
Oh, sige, go. Go ahead, go ahead.
So ayun, yung medyo tumagal yung training namin. May mga nakilala kaming bagong tips, yung mga circles ko na yun nga, may mga planong umapply sa service branch na work sa uniform personnel. So they decided to
Doon.
actually we decided to talk to them na baka pwede kayong sumali sa amin kung
Mm.
interested kayo, ganun. Kasi tumatakbo din kami eh. Yun yung kagandahan sa program ni EJ. May takbo, may body workout, combination of strength and endurance. Yun yung kagandahan sa Spartan training.
Mm.
So, ayun.
So
So
you
Nagkaroon
have
dude,
kami ng mga
ano,
you
kilala.
have members from different walks of
Yes,
life.
oo. Mm-mm.
yep. Kasi dude, we planned na mag-start kami. All-inclusive siya, dude, no matter how you look, no matter what your level is. Pasok lang, sama lang.
Mm.
Kasi sabay-sabay naman eh. Sabay-sabay naman ang ano. Ang goal lang naman namin is, ang initial goal namin, dude, is to promote health and wellness lang sa community. Like
Mm.
kung ano ginagawa namin for ourselves, we want that to translate to the other people din ba na maging part of life na rin nila. So yun. Pero this month lang ba Pen? It's like
Yes.
naging milestone sa community, dude, na
Mm.
naka-help pala kami sa uniform personnel to ace their physical fitness
Yung
tests.
Oh,
tatlong
nice.
bureau mismo. Tatlong
Yeah,
bureau.
PNP,
Oh, okay.
BFP, BJMP, na ano lang ba,
Yes,
na-amaze
sir.
na ako dude na balita ni Penpen na naka-help pala kami para makaano sila ba, mapasa nila yung physical fitness tests nila. So it's
For
like,
the
wow,
record, sila yung mga top.
So so
sila pa
ano,
yung top dude.
so
Uh,
let's take it as it is, no? Yung Spartan training na kinakandak nyo makes those uniform personnel physically fit and on top during physical examination.
yes.
So, ibig sabihin, whoever joins your training would expect the same result.
Mm.
With the same methods, with the same intensity, kaya nila na, uy, we can be like that. We
Yeah,
can be like,
Mm-mm.
we are physically fit like those uniform personnel,
yeah. And
which is a,
not like just to reach the highest levels, dude, no. It's like to motivate them and give them confidence in life. Parang ganun lang,
Mm-mm.
no.
Oo.
Pero
It will follow kasi eh.
hindi namin na-expect na wow, uniform personnel pa talaga na tulungan namin, dude.
pero ano,
Mga
So,
aspirant uniform personnels.
mm,
Oo.
aspirants pa lang.
pero yung question ko, kasi iba-iba din kasi yung intensity na kailangan ng mga, example for me, I cannot
Mm.
I cannot run 4 kilometers straight compared to, younger people, or yung mga nasa yung trabaho talaga is may ganun. So paano nyo tinitimpla between other people yung sa kanya-kanyang tao yung yung training?
So, for me, dude,
Um,
no, ang baseline ko is Nash and Pen Pen.
mm-mm.
Ako yung
Ah,
So,
lowest.
in not saying na lowest si Nash, dude. Nash will represent the one starting out na
Mm-mm.
syempre hindi pwede biglain.
mm,
Compared to Pen Pen na sanay na bigyan mo ng health and endurance, kaya niya yan. So, ganun naka-tailor yung program namin, dude. For everyone starting out, they have a place. For everyone who wants to level up their game, they have a place din. Kaya, ayun.
so it's
Yes.
so it's
And
more like a group
always,
exercise, no, like hindi ito individual, this is a team exercise.
Yeah.
yan. Oo.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Kaya naging team na siya, naging community na siya na
Oo.
maka-amaze lang. Pati ako na happy na grabe, trip-trip lang gani namon.
Ang daming
Trip,
sumunod.
trip-trip
Meron
lang
siyang
namin.
little individual actually. Yung individual in terms of, halimbawa, pag magtakbo, team.
Mm.
Mm,
Pero run at your own pace lang.
Run
Hindi,
at your own
Oo.
pace.
kumbaga ko, kung feel mo na mahina ka magtakbo, bums lang sabayan.
mm,
Mm-mm.
Pero
Mm.
yung counting na, halimbawa, let's say, 10 rounds sila, ikaw 5. So yun, at least,
Yes.
yun lang makaya mo sa isang araw.
Mm.
Ganun.
Basta same format. Importante yung same lang din yung format with
mm.
lesser repetition or lesser kilometers na
Mm.
tatakbuhin.
But maybe the reason that it's been successful is because uh you do exercise but you're not alone. Like hindi compared sa example sa gym, kanya-kanya kayo eh.
Mm.
Oo.
But
Isa din yan.
this one, what you're explaining to me is sama-sama tayo dito.
Mm.
Together ba?
Hmm.
Yeah, exactly. Kaya, ewan, paano ba, Pen? Parang na-feel nila na may family spirit, no? It's like
Yes, parang may ganun.
they have
Oo.
somebody to relate to it, no? Ganun.
May mag-push, may
Mm.
tig-push.
Mm-mm.
Ganun.
Mm. Kahit kami, dude, di ba, leaders na kami.
Aha.
We just stand back. Dito lang kami, mag-guide lang kami. But then, sila mismo, sila nag-i-invite sa each other, sila nagpo-push sa isa't isa. So, it's allowing them to be leaders as well. So,
Mm-mm.
ganda
Yung
naman.
yung age bracket ninyo sa Spartan.
Ano ba, Ben? Mga nasa
Anything. Kahit ano.
any
As
age
long as
bracket,
kaya
dude,
mo.
eh.
As long as makaya mo ang training.
Mm.
Pero
Naghihintay,
pansin ko,
naghihintay
walang
nga ako
age
ng ano eh.
bracket. Pansin ko
Walang
lang
age
age
bracket din.
bracket.
Oo,
Basta
wala.
kung sino lang mag-join, may younger, may kung merong
Mm.
baguhan, merong naka-kuan na,
Meron ngang bata.
nagpa-practice.
Nakita mo yun, Nas, yung dati. May batang nakisali.
Wala
While
ako nakasama
nag-workout.
nung time na yun.
May
Di ba
bata
may pusa
nakisali,
pa nga na
pinasali
ganyan?
namin. May pusa pa nga
Oo.
kami.
May adopted cat din kami, dude. Si,
Oh,
si
okay.
Black Panther.
For those who are interested to join the family,
Yes.
the Spartan community, when and where do you conduct the training?
Actually, dude, nag-usap na kami ni Pen Pen. We want to start up the whole thing on October 1.
Mm,
Pero sige, Pen,
Mm.
where and when?
Yun, since yung mga previous na mga members kakatapos na nila sa kanilang agility test sa gina-applyan nila. So babalik kami sa umpisa. Pati si Nas babalik din 'yan.
mm.
So we decided October 1 ang pinaka-saktong schedule for
Pwede
comeback.
pwede before October 1. can you join me in another round of podcast? I-explain natin ano yung ginagawa dito ano yung goal ng Spartan community. Ito yung mga gagawin. Ito na yung na-prove or nagawa ng Spartan community. Can we do that? Yung focus
Sure.
tayo
Sure.
sa ano. And so
Uh-huh.
that kung meron man gustong mag-join ng Spartan community, we could tell them that to listen to the podcast na ito yung ginagawa dito, ito yung these are the philosophies behind this is what we can do.
Mm-mm.
Let's start in
Yeah, yeah.
October what?
Masaya yun, dude. Yeah,
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 and
maganda rin.
to avoid confusion pala sa mga nakikinig, we are the Street Spartan community. Street Spartan.
Spartan Street. Yeah.
Ay, Spartan Street yung
Oh, okay.
yes.
Spartan Street community. Yeah. Coronadal Street Spartans.
Mm.
Kasi we come
KSS.
from
KSS.
all streets.
Yes, sir.
Galing lang kami sa mga kanto.
Kanto-kanto. Eh, But it's nice to hear. Tapos kagaya nun, last September 2 yun, Pen, no? Parang inunahan
Yes.
na namin ni Pen Pen, like, nag-race kami. We
Mm-mm.
had our own individual achievements sa race namin. And then parang gusto namin yun i-translate sa community ba na, okay. And then may mga trail runs na upcoming. Gusto rin namin
Mm-mm.
sila ma-expose doon.
Maganda
Yes.
no?
Okay.
Maganda yung magiging goal natin is halimbawa, kayo mismo, you join computation, trail runs, whatever, and then whatever training you have, there is a community na gustong maging fit. Okay, these are what we do. If you want to follow, tulungan namin kayo. And then later on, they also magjo-join din sila ng mga, although hindi naman kasing galing ninyo, but at least later maano nila na, uy, kaya namin. And it
Yeah.
boosts your
Oo.
confidence then.
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, dude, it's just the bare minimum na gusto namin nila ma-feel na kaya mong gawin. That's the bare minimum.
Mm-mm.
And kahit dun sa small thing na yun, dude, it levels up their confidence.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Self-esteem.
It boosts. Don't aim to reach the highest part at a short period of time. Do it
Mm.
little by little. Kung kaya mong tumakbo ng 100 meters, then run for 100 meters. Tomorrow, run 101. The next day, run 102 until you
Cool.
run for 1,000 meters. But don't force yourself. Ika nga, everything has a time. Huwag
Yeah.
mong pilitin ng mga bagay. Kasi minsan kung pipilitin mo, hurt ka rin, di ba?
Tama.
Kuan
Dandan
lang,
lang.
Nel,
It's more like
kuan.
Ano?
Bigyan mo lang ng at least sa akin ang current motivation ko is siguro kung wala man sa weekend, meron sa weekdays at least 30 minutes a day. At least maka-exercise ng 30 minutes a day regardless of ulan man o hindi. Pero sa akin kasi nag-ulan last time so wala.
Dapat no excuses.
No excuses. So,
Umalan, umaraw, you have time or not, whatever it is, just do it.
The best one is start mo talaga sa intermittent.
Yeah.
Okay.
It always
I'll get
starts.
that.
It always starts with your nutrition. It always starts in the
Yes.
kitchen.
So, wag ka talaga bigla gym ka agad, weightlifting ka agad. It's not good.
No. Yeah.
Mm.
Work on your nutrition first. The way you
Sa
eat.
mga mentors.
And discipline, consistency, makuha mo yan sa umpisa sa the way you eat, the way you control your desire, your urge.
Dapat talaga consistent, no? Hindi yung mahal ka lang sa
Yes.
umpisa tapos
Tapos biglang nag-fade na.
bigla nang lumamig.
Bubuan
Katuwa.
uminit Cool.
But it's a good thing din kasi na there example, let's face it, you are an unhealthy person. You want to change but your self-esteem is low. There is a community for you.
Yep.
Na handa kang tanggapin, handa kang mahalin maging sino ka man. And
Yeah.
we will be there for
kami.
you. Ganyan po kami. Kasi alam po namin yung pakiramdam ng hindi tinatanggap.
Yung hindi ka tanggap.
Yung hindi ka tanggap.
Hindi
Ouch.
ka tinanggap.
Ah, pero ito pa, hindi pa ito grupo ng mga ng mga
Heartbroken.
heartbroken or mga hopeless romantic. Ah, but
Actually, dude, we have those kind of people sa grupo no na they really aren't fit. Hindi sila malusog, hindi sila physically fit.
mm,
Like isama mo sila, wala. Hindi talaga makasabay sa regular workouts. But then, okay, punta ka. We have a workout for you.
mm,
Mm.
You're still welcome sa grupo. Kasi okay, hindi ka man makasali or hindi mo man matapos yung buong routine, you still have friends around. Diba?
yes, yes. Kasi yung
That's
iba
that's that's the
kasi,
point.
yung iba kasi parang nahihiya na pumunta ng gym or nahihiya na mag-exercise kasi hindi na nila kaya, like hihingalin na ganun. So at
Yeah.
least there would be, it's more like a peer training ba na as a friend. Training as a friend. Yeah.
Training as a friend.
Win a friend.
Win a
Yeah.
friend.
Kasi kaya ako din naisip, dude. Kasi this is not to discriminate all gyms, ah. Pero it's like ako, I've been gym hopping ever since. Ano minsan discriminating din kasi when it's like you want to start nga, but then may mga ibang gyms, yung mga community nila doon is hindi ka rin tanggap or they look down on you. And
Mm,
then, so sabi
Mm.
ko, okay, let's create a system na welcome ang lahat. And then, let's give them a safe space to grow.
yun. Yun yung kailangan natin. Safe space
Safe
to
space.
grow.
Your safe haven.
Safe
Oo.
haven.
Yeah.
At saka, difference din nung gym at saka nung sa mga exercise sa ito turo lang sa akin ng mentor ko nung nag-start pa lang ako na mag-trekking. Sabi niya, bakit hindi ka nag-gym? Sabi ko sa kanya, bakit hindi ka nag-gym? Kasi yung gym daw, technically for strength, hindi siya for strength exercise, more on siya sa pag-toning ng muscle. So, ang
Bodybuilding.
labas mo doon is more of a bodybuilder versus
Yeah.
sa
Aesthetics.
sa
Aesthetics.
actual
Mm.
na halimbawa, sa trekking, baka hindi ka makasurvive, mga ganun na bagay.
Mm.
But
Mm.
there are gyms right now who does that, like meron silang mga cardio trainings, di ba? Or mga
Yeah.
CrossFit trainings.
Endurance.
Actually, yung mga
Yan.
mga gyms na ngayon, they have strength and conditioning program. So, it helps na ngayon. But then, yeah, it depends pa rin sa mga tao na pumapasok ba, how they view it. So, yeah,
Mm.
yun yung ano dun eh. Cool.
Uh, ito si
Mm.
Pen, ano ko din dito because uh, Pen, you've been, aside from those trainings, you're doing martial
Mm.
arts.
Yes.
Ano yung,
Yeah.
meron pa bang mga active na mga martial arts school dito sa Coronadal?
Ang last ko na inquire, meron naman sa ibang gyms, sa mga famous gyms, mga at least dalawa. More boxing and MMA. Meron din MMA dito sa atin.
Oh,
Mm.
saan?
Ano, sa FitX, di
Pwede
ba?
ba
Dun
i-mention?
yung,
Sa FitX, meron
Basta
ata
malapit,
FitX.
yan. Yan.
pwede
Yung
ba
sa'yo, Pen.
i-mention?
Mention,
Pwedeng
mention
i-plug.
mo na yan.
Hindi naman binabash, di ba? Pinopromote. So, it's okay.
Pinopromote
Pinopromote,
naman.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
For the sake of information, di ba?
Mm.
FitX, I've been to FitX. Yung isa sa may sa may sa may San Gabriel. Ano nga ba yun?
Mm.
Yung may doon tayo
Big-
nag-boxing.
Sa kwan yun, sa may Arellano ata yun.
Oo,
Arellano.
oo,
Arellano.
Arellano.
Yeah, yeah.
Yan, meron din if you want to go back to do boxing,
Boxing.
punta kayo doon. Uh,
Sa FitX, just to let everybody know, may sessions dun yung cyborgs din
mhm.
ni Coach Ernie Braca who is also an MMA fighter
Mm,
competing internationally. So ang main gym nila is nasa Surala, but
mhm.
then they have people training in FitX every TTH yata, TTHS, something like that.
So sa mga
So yeah,
martial arts enthusiasts dyan or mga MMA fans, if you want to go into MMA, you go to FitX and
Yes.
yung sa
inquire sa
Inquire.
dun.
And doon din sa Arellano, I forgot. But they doing
Mm.
MMA and boxing din.
Boxing,
Na,
yes.
Sa City Mall, there's a new gym. So
Ayun
sa
nga,
mga,
tell us about that, dude.
wala,
How's that new gym?
well, actually, medyo yung space is medyo maliit, but what a good thing is hindi na kailangan yung mga tao na dito banda sa area na malapit sa
Mm.
City Mall, they don't need to go to the city.
Mm.
Uh, they have various trainers then, and what's a good thing for them is depende sa body shape mo, depende sa goal mo, they give you different plans, and hindi ka din nila sinestress. Every day you have different plans, different parts of the body. Uh, i-explain nila sa iyo ahead of time bakit ito yung mga exercises na gagawin mo.
Yeah.
And marami doon na nag-exercise are senior citizens. Meron din yung mga not to body shame ha, but sobrang laki and they want to
Yeah. Yeah.
gusto nilang pababa. So they have a different trainings for them. There's also boxing from 6 a.m. to
Okay.
3 p.m. They train you boxing if you want to. And affordable lang siya. But
Cool.
the place is just more likely medyo maliit lang siya compared to FitX and other stuff. But it's a good place kasi until I guess until 9 p.m.
Yes.
Open
They're
Oo.
sila.
Until
yes,
9.
yes, they're open until 9 p.m. So from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. you have no excuse. Sabihin mo, busy ka sa morning, you can go in the evening. Or busy ka sa
Oo.
hapon, you can go in the morning. So there's no excuse for you to go. And dito sa Coronadal, kanya-kanyang kahit saan ka pumunta, you can do exercise naman. So there's no excuse. And if nahihiya ka, or medyo mas mababa pa yung self-esteem mo, then we have Spartan community.
Spartans.
Yeah.
Spartan community. Yeah,
Saan ba
yeah.
kayo always para at least may gustong lumapit?
Nasa kwan na
Ben,
kami.
take it
Sa
ahead.
sport complex kami sa Esmaraa.
Mm,
Sira.
Ano ba? Esmaraa? SM-Raa?
I don't
Basta.
know.
Diyan lang kami
SM
palagi.
Rock.
If ever na may trainings kami, diyan lang kami.
Mm.
Yeah.
Sa
Pero may mga
SM.
runs kami, may mga joggings kami sa, kunyari gusto namin mag 10K, 12K. So, naka-jog kami sa medyo labas ng city.
Ah, yun. Kasi kailangan talaga ng tao ng safe place.
Safe
Mm.
haven. Yes.
Safe haven to break down. Yun.
Yep,
So,
yep. Cool.
Mm.
so
Eh,
maganda to.
mm,
Isa talaga din sa factor ngayon ng mga cause of mga diseases or mga sakit is unhealthy lifestyle. So,
yep.
Yes.
eto, you don't really need to have a perfect body, perfect shape, or toned body.
Nope.
You just need to be healthy. So, what's that? Normal blood, normal na BP, right
Mm,
foods, and that's it. Uh, Active lifestyle, ganon. Kasi
yeah,
dati yung mga edad ng mga tao pumapalo mga 90 plus bago mamatay ngayon.
yeah.
Medyo
Makita mo yung mga
Younger.
yung makita mo yung mga elderly natin ngayon, meron din mga nakaabot na ng 90 plus or 100 na.
mhm.
So yeah,
Yung
it all
naging cause din ng mga dementia or yung mga complication is too much sugar, right, Nash?
yun.
Oh,
Mm.
Kaya bawasan ng sugars.
Oo.
actually, yung before kasi ako ng fitness, yung nakasama ako sa mga older generation ng mga sa opisina. Alam mo yung ikaw lang yung young one sa van tapos kasama mo lahat. Ang alam mo ang puno ng story nila puro may sakit, puro cancer, kailan mamatay. Yung parang ikaw kakatakot naman ito. Kailan natin
The number
Mm.
one cause of cancer is, or the number one that complicates cancer is sugar then.
Oh,
Mm. Mm.
sugar, unhealthy eating, no exercise. Nandun lang sa tatlo na gaikot.
So iwas-iwas din muna sa sweet, no? And
Oh,
Tsaka
bad
tsaka
sugars.
dude ang ang isang target ko din kung bakit pinush namin to is mental health, dude. Kasi ako galing ako sa, if you can say, post-traumatic stress, PTSD.
Mhm, mhm.
And then, ang nakasave talaga sa akin is physical activities, ang sports.
Yeah, tell
So,
me more about it. How does, healthy lifestyle, exercise, physical activities helps reduce anxiety and stress?
yun nga, dude. Like, let's say basic, anxiety, stress, yun lang. It's like, parang mababaling yung attention mo into different things. It's not, kasi, okay, you do exercises na ikaw lang isa, but then, ikaw lang mag-isa eh. So, the stress and anxiety is still there. It's like, it's not helping you. But then, be in a group exercise. Be with people you can relate with. So, it's not like just going for the exercise. It's also going to an activity with the community ba? Parang ganun.
Yes. With
So, in a
same
way,
energy.
with the same energy.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, you won't feel alone kasi, okay, this guy, parang same kami. So, I
Mm.
can relate to him or her. And then, pwede tayo okay, this group, sige, since ito level nyo, okay, sabay-sabay kayo, push each other. O, ganun. So, yeah, I mean, I don't know how it feels sa kanila, but then stress and anxiety lowers just by that happening. Di ba? Parang you're happy at that point.
So, iba din talaga, no?
Hmm.
Iba din yung,
Yung dopamine
Yeah.
levels mo ba,
Mm-mm.
tinamaan.
so pag broken, guys, kung sino man yung broken hearted sa inyo, guys, exercise na kayo, guys. Sama na kayo sa
Galaw-galaw lang.
galaw-galaw lang.
Galaw-galaw.
Kasi
Saka
sabi nga
kwan,
nila, dude, there is
oh,
emotion in motion ba?
Aha,
So you
aha.
feel something, just keep moving. Go for a walk, pahangin ka doon, or papawis ka, mga ganun.
Takbo mo lang yan.
Takbo mo lang yun. Ano yung
Hindi.
Nash, yung sabi mo?
kwan, ang another problem kasi bakit hindi nag-join yung mga tao, it's either introvert sila or shy.
Aha,
So,
yes.
better na
Isa
itry
yan.
na lang
Oo.
nila muna na
Hmm.
mag-join sa atin kasi welcome din naman yung mga taong ganun. Kasi ako introvert and shy din
Oo,
naman
si
ako.
Nash,
So,
introvert.
Kung ano
so
ka,
need
kung
to
ayaw mo
break that
makipag-usap,
one.
kung ayaw mo like gusto mo exercise, gusto mo na, pero takot ka makipag-usap, punta ka lang doon. Hindi ka namin kakausapin. Just join us. Ganun. Ah.
Papawis ka lang, sumunod ka
Papawis
lang,
ka lang.
that's
Oh.
fine.
Oh,
Ngiti-ngiti ka lang. Pag nag-uusap sila, tanong ka lang, we will not judge anyone. Ah.
hmm.
It's like, baka may kumausap sa'yo, and then sagutin mo lang.
Ah.
It's just like that.
Oh, pag ayaw mo
Yo.
makipag-usap, sabi mo, no, I don't want to talk. And then, bahala ka. You're still welcome. Oh.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Ganun po
Ayun.
kami ka-welcoming.
Kasi, ganun kami ka-safe.
Oh.
Yeah.
And
Amazing.
ano pa ba? So you do that every day sa SM Raa?
Yes.
So, Pengo.
Yung previous, we do it every day. Pero ngayon, since natapos na yung mga agility test ng iba,
Mhm.
so, and then yung iba may mga new works, new trabaho. So, medyo lie-low. So,
Mhm.
alternate na lang yung trainings ko.
Mhm.
Yung
So
trainings
starting
namin.
October 1, you would magsa-start ulit ang
Mm,
Coronadal Street Spartan Community.
Yes,
yes.
Okay.
sir.
So before October 1, let's talk again. Explain nyo sa amin, sa mga gustong mag-join. This is what it is all about. Ito yung mga activities. Ito yung mga conditioning na ibibigay namin. You have friends, whatever, and then that's it.
Bring your
Uh,
friends over.
bring your
Mm.
friends. If you don't have one, we're there. We will be your friend.
We're there for you.
Uh,
Pero dude, the point is, may mga nagsasabi the workouts are boring and then
yes.
stuff. It is boring kasi you're starting out. So like in fitness, whenever you're starting out, don't aim na mataas ka agad level. It's not like that.
Kung
You
gusto
build
Mm-mm.
from
kung gusto mo naman na i-entertain ka, huwag ka na mag-exercise, manood ka na lang ng TV. Because, 'di ba? Uh,
true.
mahirap sa umpisa, but after a while, masasanay ka din.
Yep,
Yes.
yep. So
And
that's just how it is.
nothing
Yeah.
nothing great, nothing good is, at first mahirap. So, iba talaga pag pinaghihirapan mo, you would see it
Yeah.
later on.
Mhm, mhm.
At saka, wala naman hindi naman pinipilit na kailangan ma-reach yung halimbawa sabihin natin 30 counts. Hindi, hindi,
Mm.
hindi namin pinipilit yun. So
Mm.
kung halimbawa kaya mo lang talaga 10, sige 10. Tomorrow,
Mm.
12.
Wala,
Next
Yes.
wala
week.
bang sumisigaw na, ayoko na. So,
Meron yan.
Actually,
meron.
meron.
Ang hirap naman ito. Crazy.
Okay lang yan mga mini reklamo
Kahit nga
sa
si EJ,
Ah, pati ba dito
nasa,
nasasaktan
oo,
ako? Ganun. May mga ganun ba?
minimension yung pangalan ni EJ kahit wala si EJ sa training.
Yeah.
Hirapan daw sila dun. Marami ng haters kahit hindi pa nakikita pa.
But see the result or see the
Yeah.
the feeling no nagawa mo. I can do 30 sets, ganito, ganyan.
Sir.
Yeah.
Yung ano lang nga, dude, yung marinig ko lang yung news na we're topping the uniform personnel physical fitness tests.
Mm.
It's like, wow.
Mm.
Sila gumawa nun. Sila gumawa nun.
And
It's
they
like
did it. You did it.
they did it.
And
Yeah.
we
Kumbaga
are,
kami naging push. Naging
yes.
push lang kami and then they did
Mm.
it by themselves. Parang,
And the
wow,
Spartan
that's
community will be happy for you. So you reach your dreams. We're here for you. That's it.
Yes.
So, gusto mo mang makapasa sa exam? Gusto mo maka-move on? Gusto mo maging healthy? Dito,
yep.
punta ka dito.
Dito lahat.
gusto mong tumakbo sa mga trail run, sa
Ah.
mga
Yeah, dito
Oo.
kami.
contest,
Yep.
Gusto
Actually,
mo
speaking of
takbuhan
trail
yung
run,
mga... Yeah, go ahead.
problema mo
Trail
yun.
trail,
run.
meron kaming 7 members ngayon na sasali sa next
Oh,
na trail run. Yeah.
Yeah. Good
7
luck.
members ng Spartan.
that's
Cool.
nice.
Kailan yun, Pen?
October 1.
October 1,
Sakto.
yeah. Sakto,
October 1.
first day.
So pambungad ninyo is the Spartan community will join a trail run. And
Yeah.
if you want
Oo.
to, kung gusto mo, dream mo ba na sa susunod makatakbo din dito, join us. We will help.
Kumbaga doon, the members are now setting an example ba? So,
Yes. They are
Nagpa-tarp na nga
good.
kami eh.
Oh,
Oo. Nagpa-tarp kami.
tapos
so,
merong mga doon na ako pala yung yung iniwan mo.
Kwan lang. Siguro, logo lang. Logo lang.
logo lang. Cool.
Eh, kaya
Iniwan mo noon.
ah,
Maglaway ka ngayon.
tumatakbo ako pero hindi na para sa iyo ganun.
Iyon.
Para na sa
Yun.
sarili.
Para sa sarili ko lang.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'll be happy to see it and hopefully by week or mga weekends I could join the Spartan community. It's a good thing. No.
Yep.
Pag nasa Corondal ka, hindi ka dapat nag-iisa. There's always a place for you here for your fitness.
Yeah. Cool.
So you welcome senior citizens din, di ba?
Yes.
Yun ang
Lahat.
hinihintay ko. Yun ang hinihintay ko, dude. Like, dito kasi, when it comes to the Spartan community worldwide, may senior citizens, 55 and above. They show up sa races mismo.
Whoa.
And then they're doing the most brutal races pa. It's like 21 kilometers, ultra, which is 50 kilometers. Parang maano mo ba na, grabe, inuunahan ako ng mga to sa race and they're older than me. It's like, okay, that's cool.
Ako
Kaya
nga before,
yun yung hinihintay ko.
ako nga
Kanina.
before yung sa yoga ko before, may kasama ako na 50 plus
Senior.
sila. Couple sila, 50
Nag-yoga
plus.
ka, Nash?
Oo eh. Before, nung nag-start ako na to uncloud my mind. So, yun. Nung nakita ko yung dalawang mag-asawa na 50 plus, nakayanan nila yung headstand,
Wow.
yung parang
Hirap yan.
inverted
Parang
ka.
calisthenics yan eh.
Walang wall. Una, nag-start sila sa wall, then mga after few sessions, kuha na nila. Full headstand na. Ng mga ilang breaths.
Grabe.
Given na sa age bracket na yun, it's hard for those kind of individuals. Di ba?
Oo. They
Ah,
actually fit.
hmm.
Mm, yun.
Ano ba?
Actually, ang yoga,
Oh,
mahirap din yan. Sobrang hirap ng yoga.
Actually,
Natry ko
sobra.
din yan eh.
nag-yoga ka din, Ben?
Oo, sabi kami ni Nas dati.
Tell me ano yung I've seen yoga in the movies or sa mga advertisement, but what exactly they're doing in yoga compared to other fields?
It's more like a journey sa sarili mo, ang yoga.
Ooh. Somewhat
Mm.
philosophical pala, no?
Mm.
Like
Pero ano,
how did
pero
he
how are
start
the
it?
mo? Mm.
Ang move kasi, hindi siya parehas sa exercise na you always moving. Ang mahirap sa yoga is balance. It's always
Mm.
the
Mm,
balance at saka proper form. So,
Breathing.
hindi effective ang yoga exercise mo kung wala ka sa proper form. Example is, you clasp your hand and stand. Yun ang pinakasimple. But what if you raise your one leg and hold that for 8 breaths or 16 counts?
mhm,
How will you feel? Siyempre, papawisan ka niyan.
mm,
Siyempre, manginginig yung katawan mo para
mhm,
lang mag-balance ng matagal. Parang
mhm,
ganun. So,
Kasi
ulit-ulitin mo yan
mag-engage.
siya.
Kasi mag-engage yung muscles mo na mag-balance sa ano mo sa whole
Oo.
body mo di ba?
Everything, ang palaging sinasabi ng yoga teacher namin is hold on your core. So, your core is your abs muscle,
Mm.
abdominal. So, lahat doon, nagko-constrict yan eh, para ma-balance yung buong katawan.
Sana yan din
Yes.
sana
Always
yan
the center.
sana yan din sinabi sa akin ng hold on kaso bumitaw na lang.
Crazy na off balance tuloy.
Wala na. Ah,
Nahulog eh.
nahulog eh.
Crazy
Pag
man.
nahulog ka nga naman, oh.
Pero cool yung I mean, so it's not like kasi ang misconception minsan ng iba sa yoga is it's like stretching or doing some
Mm-mm.
flexibility things. Pero ano pala din it's like you're also working your muscles din pala in yoga.
Mm-mm. And unconsciously, you are
Mm.
starting to open your Kundalini points, which is, alam niyo yung Kundalini points?
Hindi, ano
Ano
yan?
yun?
Kuha niyan siya spiritual aspect ng human yan siya. Meron
Mm.
tayong 7 points ata yan or something like that. Um, parang mga chakra sa anime. Parang ganun.
Okay.
Oo.
It's like yung sa ulo, sa bibig, sa
So,
chest, sa
Yes,
so
ano.
once
oo.
so once open na yung mga points na yon, uh what will be the difference sa feeling mo?
Bawat points may mga kanya-kanyang benefits sa katawan.
Mhm.
So, you will feel different.
So like
Tawag dito.
more your vitality increases, your strength increases, ano po ba?
Yes, parang
No?
ganyan.
Your mental clarity. Tama ba? Mga
Mm.
ganun.
In a world
Yeah.
right now that we are prone to depression, we are prone into, anxiety, and then sa busy na panahon ngayon, you would see any forms of exercises would really just do it, that would really give you an edge or parang
Mm.
improvement sa buhay. So that's really a benefit of doing exercise, no?
Yeah,
So
exactly. Dude. Mm.
galaw-galaw lang din.
Galaw-galaw, yeah.
Galaw-galaw.
Yep.
Yeah.
Whatever exercises that you want, martial
Mm.
arts, you want running, you do Spartan training, you do yoga, you do boxing, dancing ba, Taibo, kahit
Mm.
Zumba, may sa
Zumba, yeah, yeah.
sa
It
city,
helps.
sa Rizal Park, sa Coronadal City, sa City Mall, may mga Zumba dyan. Just go. Physical exercise, physical fitness
Mm.
helps along the way.
Yeah. Actually, nothing specific talaga, dude. They can try anything. Kasi, yun nga, yung sabi mo, it's like the stress of the world, the fast-moving pace of the world. Kung nag-exercise ka kasi, it's like calming you down then.
Oh,
So, I don't know.
Although wala ng COVID, no, so we can suggest this one.
Mm,
Iba pa rin you do exercise or you do activities with other people in a community. Iba pa rin yung meron pa rin merong human connection. Ngayon kasi pag gusto mong bumili, Grab.
grabo.
Gusto mo mag-withdraw, Grab, you don't go to the banks anymore, you don't go to the store anymore, you don't sit down. Pag kahit nag-uusap kayo, just to chat, hindi
Mm,
hindi kayo nakikita. So, iba din 'yon. Maganda pa rin yung magkaroon ka ng sense of community. So,
yep,
aside from
yep.
doing exercise, yun din, iba din yung kang community na you talk to, you do something with.
Mm,
Let's boost your well-being then. I could say, we are in a generations kasi na tayo yung edad natin na tayong 5, iba din yung nasa age tayo na we see the older generations and we see the younger generations. There's really a contrast, no? We
yep.
are we are in between. But
Kaya makita.
one thing I
Mm,
could learn from the older generations is iba pa rin yung human connections. Iba pa rin yung sense of community rather than individualistic. So, uh, yeah, that's all I can say for it.
yeah. Kumbaga, yung older generation kasi it gives us a wider perspective. While the younger generation, it gives us yung parang an innovative spirit ba? Kumbaga,
Yes.
just to lift things up ba? Kumbaga, to liven things up. So, yun nga, it's nice being in the middle again kasi
Oh.
that's what we see, 'di ba? So we see both perspectives and then ma-apply pa din natin sa buhay-buhay natin.
Mhm. I wish I could talk to persons with let's talk about mental health kasi physical fitness,
Mm,
mental health, those things what we need right now. No,
mm,
no. Uh,
Yes.
so it's a good start. Let's talk about it. Let's do with Spartan, and if we could invite more people, talk about things na medyo natitikin for granted na ng mga kabataan
yeah.
ngayon, it would be a good one.
Yep, yep. Amazing. Right?
Tapos uh, may membership fee ba? May kailangan bang bayaran? Tell me more about uh, membership in the Spartan community.
Ang sa amin lang, ang mode of currency namin is your commitment.
Yep.
Yun lang naman ang hinihingi namin, commitment mo.
Yun din ang hiningi ko, dude. Wala eh.
Hindi nag-commit.
Akala mo madali.
Big
Hindi
word kasi
pala.
dude, big
Big
word.
word.
Yeah, big word. Mahirap, madaling sabihin, mahirap ibigay.
Paano pag ang ex mo nag-join, sabihin mo, commitment lang yung kailangan pero wala ka nun.
Commitment na
Nag-commit.
may persistent.
Yeah.
Ang hinahanap
Yes.
namin commitment, tapos consistent. Tapos
Pero yun
sasali
nga,
ka?
mm, pero yun nga dude, yeah, it's just the commitment pero sa sarili mo, not to us, pero sa sarili mo. You have to
Ah,
commit to yourself na you have to commit na gusto mong ayusin yung life mo. That's just it. You want to be better than you were yesterday. Yun lang yung hinahanap namin sa'yo. Then, okay, pasok,
Yeah. You
join.
start with things you can
mm.
control, and one thing you can control is your body.
It's your body. It's
Yeah,
your
and your
new body.
mind. So start with it.
True. Yep. Yun lang. And then there's no fee. Parang it's like, ang role namin is just we're bringing people together. And
Mm.
then, guides lang. Kasi lahat, dude, available na ngayon. All you just need is a push. So, yun lang role namin. We're just the push. If you don't have money, if tinatamad ka, if you don't have anybody to do it with, then there's us, 'di ba?
Yeah.
That's
Hmm.
just the goal.
Hindi ka namin iiwan.
Hindi ka namin iiwan sa ere.
Yeah.
Tsaka kasi ang yung training kasi systematize siya. So naga-develop yung trainings. So iniiwasan lang talaga na baka hindi makaya yung trainings na ongoing kung medyo nag-i-stop-stop yung trainings
Mhm.
mo.
Oh, so dapat consistent.
Mm.
Yeah. Kasi if you're not consistent, then yung training, it will just hurt you. Parang ganun.
Alam ko yan, sabihan mo yan sa kanya. Mm. Ano,
Kung gusto mo saktan sarili mo, edi.
ito yung commitment. Ah,
Ang kagandahan naman is yung trainings pwede mo gawin
Sa
sa
bahay.
indoor, sa bahay.
oh, that's nice. Mm.
We
You don't
don't
need
use
any equipment.
weights. We don't use any
Yes.
equipment. Yun lang. Kaya anywhere, anytime, pwede mong
Mm.
gawin.
Alright guys,
Yeah.
napahaba-haba ng oras natin and we look forward
Kasi-
sa opening ng ng Spartan community again in Coronadal City. So, if you want to improve your well-being, you want to have a sense of community, yung hindi judgmental, ah, yeah.
Yeah. Love, love lang.
Love lang. Ito
Love
po.
lang.
Yes,
You
sir.
join the Corandel Spartan community. They will be starting on October 1. But before that, we will have another set of podcasts that talks about the details. Ano yung mga training sessions doon sa Spartan community. And hopefully, kita-kita po tayo doon. Mr. Foxy will be there.
Yeah.
Manunood lang. But,
More than welcome.
hanap tayo doon. Gusto nyo mag-move on, gusto nyo ma-improve lang yung well-being nyo. It's a good place to start. And hopefully, maraming tao or kabataan, tao, whatever your age is, kabataan, senior citizen, it's
All
free,
are welcome.
all are welcome. Ang kailangan lang commitment at
Yes.
consistency.
Super free.
Super
Yes.
free. Right?
Any message, guys, before we end our week? Let's start with Ben Ben.
Ang sa akin lang, when it comes to motivation sa workout, ang sa akin, meron akong nakitang metaphor na pwede siyang gamitin ng lahat. So, baka nakita nyo na ito baka napanood nyo na ito. Yung kwan yun siya ang sinabi is, imagine you are 80 years old. Yung nakaupo ka na, matanda ka na, ganun. So, biglang time travel. Bigla kang nag-time travel
Mhm.
sa sarili mo.
Mhm.
Yung ngayon mismo, sa present natin na sarili. Na ngayon, marami pa tayong options, marami pa tayong time na pwede pa natin ma-unlock yung ating mga potential. Like our body, pwede pa natin ma-carbs into marble, into Greek, something yung mga pormahan ng mga Greek god, di ba? Mga ganun. So yun, actually kayang-kaya pa natin gawin yan. Kaya-kaya pa natin ma-achieve kasi may mga time pa tayo. So yun, imagine mo 8 years old ka na, tapos nag-flashback lahat, nag-travel ka, nag-travel ka from the present ngayon. So nagkaroon ka ng another opportunity, another chance to do those things na hindi mo nagawa. So yun ang parang motivation siya to start
Mhm.
to start new, something like
Ah,
that.
ako may question ako sa iyo, Pen.
Yes.
Pag may time machine ka and you can go to the past, babalikan mo pa siya?
Ako siguro
Gusto mo
kung may
bang
time
maulit?
Ako kung may time machine man lang, gusto ko panoorin yung mga epic battles ng nangyari sa history natin.
Yeah.
Anong balikan? Doon tayo sa magandang views.
Oo, sa mga magandang views tayo.
Bakit ko pa
Indiana
babalikan yung
Jones
mga
lang.
ano, yung mga masasakit?
Yeah.
Nash.
Alright.
Sa akin lang, since nag-start na intermittent fasting, start lang sa small things like um, start na mag-iwas ka sa sugar. Sa akin lang sa intermittent fasting, kung may makita ka man na app, sign up ka dun sa, kung free man siya, join ka lang. Kung gustuin mo yung 1 year, pay magbayad ka, like 800 lang yung nabayad ko, then kung lang, I try to stick to it. Siyempre, sayang yung bayad mo na 800. And,
Motivation na yun.
oh,
Sana all nagsistick.
investment yun. Investment.
Oo,
Tapos,
investment.
kung mahirapan ka man maghanap ng motivation, kasi mahirap talaga, um, exercise ka at least, itama mo lang at least 30 minutes. Let's say, out ka ng alas 5, sabihin natin na, okay, daan mo na tayo ng ismra 30 minutes lang, tapos uwi. At
Mm.
least magsingit ka lang ng 30 minutes. Kasi, para sa akin, in the past months na yung natamarin, yung
Mm.
tamarin ka, tapos hindi ko pa nilalagay siya sa schedule na let's say everyday. Mahirap kasi mag-commit ng everyday. Pero kung sabihin mo sa isip mo na, uy, at least 30 minutes, uy, at least kung na-skip man natin yung, let's say, yung jogging mo this today, mag-pumping na lang ako sa bahay, parang ganun. Make alternatives, uh, start with small steps, parang ganun. Yun sa akin.
Ayun, consistency at effort. Uh,
Yes, sir.
Even sa relationship na, we need consistency and effort.
Or
Kahit,
else it dies.
yeah, mga maliliit na bagay, but it counts.
Yes, sir.
EJ!
Yun. So, if we're talking about fitness, it always starts with your why lagi. It's like, okay, kung nag-decide ka to better yourself on the physical fitness aspect, so always think about bakit mo yan gagawin. That will be your push for the whole duration ng fitness journey mo. Kasi if it's like to stay away from diseases, to be better than you were before or now, or just to feel better, that's even that small can be your why. So, yun nga, focus on your why. Ba't mo yan ginagawa? Bakit mo yan gagawin? That's it.
Ayun,
Yeah.
yun nga, we start with our first episode. Always start with your why. Kasi if you know your why, the how and the what will follow. And that's it. That's for our weekend kapihan. And this is Mr. Foxy. Laging tandaan, walang awayan.
Love,
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 love
love,
love.
lang.
love.
Bye-bye, guys. See you next week.
Bye,
Bye.
guys. Bye,
Bye-bye.
bye.
Bye.
All right.